Yeah, welcome. I just want to show you how to make withdrawal from Deriv um, with cryptocurrency. Um, okay, I have here my cryptocurrency I have been using to make deposit and withdrawal on Deriv is Litecoin because I find it to be the easiest, and I have $173 in my account. But first of all, I only trade volatilities, and I trade it on MT5. Yeah, and this is my trading account here. Um, this is my trading account 173. You can see it here, and also this is my trade history here. This is my trade history here. So um, yeah, but I just want to show you how you can make the withdrawal with cryptocurrency. Oh yeah, let's go. So what you need to do is, first of all, let me show you my report. This is the trading I've done for 2 days. So that you can go to reports slash statements. Okay, you can go to report slash statement to show you how far I have, used this account so that you can understand, Deriv is somewhere whereby if you actually know what you're doing, you can make good money. I'm going to show you the deposits I made and the withdrawal I have made so far. Okay. Okay. This was the first deposit I made. It was 0.66 um LTC. You can see it is LTC, and this amount is around $60. It was the first deposit I made. I transferred to Deriv um from my Binance account. Okay, and I transferred out this amount 0.6698. If you can see the date, this is 26th and this is 27th. I made this deposit and I made this transfer out from my trading account. Then I made the withdrawal. You can see they are the same thing. I made the withdrawal. This is roughly $60. Okay. Then I made another deposit 0.55. Why I made this deposit was that when I was trading, I made some silly mistakes, which I know I caused it myself. I made some silly mistakes. I shouldn't have made those mistakes. There was trades I shouldn't have taken. So it affected the account. So I have to make another deposit. So that was the deposit I made. And then I I transferred this to my trading account. I transferred it to my trading account. Transfer it. Then I made this transfer out from my trading account. This is supposed to be around $70, and I made the withdrawal. It was $70 withdrawal. So I am going to make another withdrawal now. So we can go to cashier. Um, I'm going to make a withdrawal of $133 from my account. Uh, I'm going to transfer $133 from my trading account to my Litecoin. So we go from my trading account. This is my trading account 173, and to my Litecoin, I'm going to transfer out 133, 133 dollars. I click on transfer. Yeah, that's transferred. So you can see 1.44 LTC. So if we go here, USD to LTC. So what is the value of that? 1.44377. Um, open. So 1.44377. You can see I have, it is 130.75. You know why it is that amount is that Deriv normally takes whatever you may transfer, they normally take 2% of the amount you're transferring. So it is here we charge 2% transfer fee, you know, or $0.1, whichever is higher for transfer between Deriv and cryptocurrency. And that, yeah, I'm willing to pay that virtually for every, you know, account you're trading, whether it is crypto or normal. They normally take 2%. So uh, that is something everybody pays. So I have this in my this thing, and I'm going to make that withdrawal. So I'm going to make the withdrawal. uh, so they will send an email to my email to my email. So they've sent an email to my email. So while I wait for the email to come in, I'll go to my Binance. I'll go to my Binance and get my LTC um, wallet address so that I can use it to make the withdrawal. So let me check. Um, okay, the email has come in, and then Deriv. So I'll copy the link of the email. The link of the email. This is the link. I'll copy, and then I'll go and paste it. So we're waiting for my Binance. My Binance is still not opened yet, so uh, it's opening, and the Deriv still putting. I think my network is a little bit slow this evening, so you just kindly excuse me for that. The slow network is something that I cannot affect for now. So um, uh, yeah, both of them are, I'm waiting for them to like load so that I can make the withdrawal. So you see, one thing I want to say is that, you know, trading forex or volatilities, as the case may be, can be really rewarding if you actually know what you're doing, if you pay attention and know when to enter the market and know when to exit and know, you know, where to do your proper risk management and all. So it is very essential. So that is something you have to keep in mind. So here I can show you my trading account once again. So you can see I have $40. I have withdrawn $133. I have $40 left in my trading account. You know, actually the trade, I took it from here and ride it up to this year. So the trade actually made me in between yesterday and today $198. I deposited um okay, this is the deposit I made to the account, $68.51, and I've made withdrawal of $227 and then remaining $40. So from 68 to, if you add 40 to this, so I made deposited 68 and we made $267. So you can this is just 2 days. 2 days you can see um the first deposit was 025 26th of May 2023, and then the last withdrawal, this withdrawal, the 28th. So between 2 days I've made this amount. I grew the amount from 68.51 to 267. Okay, I'll go back to my Binance and then see. Okay, it has opened, and I may put up a deposit so that I can pick up my address. Can pick up my address while it loads. Okay, I'm waiting to add my address to this. So I don't know why. Okay, I select my network, Litecoin. So a deposit address loads. Okay, so I copy my address. That's my address. So then I paste it and I withdraw all 1.44 all. So it says 130.72, $130.72. I said withdraw. I withdraw. So yeah, it says withdrawal will be processed in 24 hours. Normally, from my experience, it takes between 3 to 4 hours for the withdrawal to be dropped into my LTC wallet on Binance. Between 3 to 4 hours, this amount will be in my Binance. So I just wanted to share this experience with you and tell you how that it's possible for you to use cryptocurrency, to make withdrawal from Deriv to your Binance. If probably you are having some challenges, using other forms of deposit and withdrawal, this is a very good option for you. And just to give you an overview of my 2 days trading experience on Deriv too, I hope this helps you. I hope this motivates you. I hope this, give you a little bit of better understanding, regarding how you can, move your money around on Deriv. And if it does, kindly subscribe, and share this video so that other people can see it and benefit from it as well. Thank you and God bless.